It's peculiar to me that the moon doesn't have the same orientation as Earth in terms of its poles, but it doesn't. Earth is tilted 23 degrees off the plane of the ecliptic, which is why we have our seasons, etc. The moon is straight up and down. I find this quite mysterious, but it's true. Wherever there's these combinations of heat, water, and minerals, you've got life starting as a natural consequence. Well, that's one of the great questions in human philosophy that could be answered by space science. So it's one of the more real and important reasons for going out there and having a look.
Water on the moon. In fact, it was India's Chandrayaan mission with sensors from a host of countries, which actually detected water particles in substantial numbers. It's now believed that deposits of water on the poles of the moon could be substantive. What does that mean to us?
Well, it's very important. And in my novel, Red Moon, I described bases being established by various nation states, principally China at the South Pole and the rest of the countries at the North Pole. It's peculiar to me that the moon doesn't have the same orientation as Earth in terms of its poles, but it doesn't. Earth is tilted 23 degrees off the plane of the ecliptic, which is why we have our seasons, etc. The moon is straight up and down. I find this quite mysterious, but it's true. And what it means is that the poles of the moon, there are places in shade all the time.
Right.
But also on the top edges of those craters, there are places in the sunlight all the time. So you have both solar power on a regular basis, and not a 2-week dark period, and you have water, which means we don't have to take it there, and we rely on water. So that the poles will be the place we will establish bases on the moon, and it'll be much easier because of that presence of essentially fossil comets.
Crystal gaze into the near future with our series Be Inspired that takes you into the world of AI, medicine, space, good governance, economy, and so much more. Subscribe to our channel now.